This is how I installed the IKEA LÄRBRO mirror on my wardrobe cabinet door. And I actually made a huge mistake that I did not notice until the very end. This mirror is 20 cm wide and 120 cm tall. I think the most challenging part is measuring the screw positions for the brackets. I wanted to mount the mirror at the center of the door. I think some of you already found the problem. I used a measuring tape to measure the door height. It's 168 cm. The center is 84 cm. I mark it with a pencil. Wait, can I erase it? Yup. I measured the door width excluding the handle. It's 26 cm and the center is 13 cm. Now let's check the assembly instructions. The left and right bracket screw holes should be 16 cm apart. 16 divided by 2 is 8. The center of the door width is 13 cm. So the left screw hole is 13 minus 8, which is at 5 cm. The right one is 13 plus 8, which is at 21 cm. Top and the bottom bracket screw holes should be 116 cm apart. 116 divided by 2 is 58. The center of the door height is 84 cm. So the top screw hole is 84 minus 58, which is at 26 cm. The bottom is 84 plus 58, which is at 142 cm. Now I need to check the bubble level. Leveling the wave is quite easy. I just take something longer and use my phone to check if it's level. It's hard to check the vertical alignment. I just make sure the width from left to the screw holes are 13 cm. That's it. Or do you have a better idea? Let me know in the comments. Let's screw in the disc. Wait, make sure the screw is not longer than the thickness of the door, so it does not go all the way through. The disc has a cutout part and it should facing out. Put the brackets on. Lastly, put on the mirror. It's a bit loose and the brackets can be adjusted a little bit. Okay, it's done, but
Is it something? Is it good?
I position the camera at my eyes level. You can see that I'm not able to see my own face. I have to squat just to see my face. I think I will have to fix it another time. Thanks for watching and I will see you next time. Bye.